Hello, welcome to this tutorial. So today we're going to be learning how to design this flyer using pixellab. If you're new to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Alright, let's hop into pixellab. First and foremost, we're going to introduce a new layout, and we'll come to this region and change the sizes to be 7 and 9 respectively. Then secondly, for accuracy purpose, we're going to import the the picture. Okay, this is the picture. Yeah, so it has been imported right now. What I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to start working. All right, first off, I'm going to be changing the background color to black. Yeah. Then I'll be importing the backgrounds I used. You see them in the description. Here is one. Okay. I'm coming. Let me import them at once. So here is one, and the second. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you, Uncle? Where are you? Okay, and here is the second. These are the two backgrounds I made use of. Okay, now I'm going to increase this one to. Okay, for accuracy purpose, let's hide this two. Sorry, this two, and let's make do with this one. This one we're going to increase it to 100 and position it perfectly. Then pin it. Okay, then we come with the first one. We'll make sure we are being accurate with everything we're doing. Again, okay. Yeah, so I think this is accurate. Let's see. Okay, it should go up a bit. Let's see also. All right, now it's okay. So what we're going to be doing here is come to eraser, increase the blush of the eraser, then sorry, then erase it gently in this format. Alright, if you're new to this channel, just kindly go and subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. It will help you in the future. Alright, so having done this, we set this aside and come into this. So we're going to increase this and see how it fits. Let's place it in the middle and at the bottom to see how it fits. We hide it to know whether we are in the same region. And this. Alright, then what we're going to do here now is just to crop this stuff to this region and see how it's gonna fit in very much. Send this to the back of this to see. Let's just hide it again to see. Okay, we've gotten what we exactly need. So we'll do the same thing here. Come to eraser, then sorry, then erase. Okay, sorry, erase this portion. Okay, after erasing this portion, you click on your check, then position down, and we're good to go. So you pin them. Alright, come back to the first one. I'm just going to play a little with my saturation and brightness to be -5 and contrast to be around 5. Yeah. Doing the same thing for the second one. Doing the same thing for the second one. I'm going to just do this, darken it. I darken this a little, then increase the contrast to say, let's say 5. Yeah, let's leave that 5. Okay, we've pinned it. Now we're going to introduce a shape. What we're going to do here is to come to the color gradient, go to gradient, and make this black, make this transparent, and that's all. Increase it to finish. Now increase it to finish and place it in the middle and then bottom. Yeah, then copy and still place middle and bottom. Yeah, that's all. Pin these two brothers and yeah, I think we need to push them down a little. Yeah, this should be okay. Alright, having achieved this, let's see the main flyer. The main flyer says, okay, we have our this image to import, the church logo. So we're using this part of the church logo, sorry. We're using this part of the church logo, this one. So I'm going to be selecting it. Come to erase color and remove the color. Set it to 15. Then change the color to white. I change the color to white and that's all. I just need to reduce it very much. To my taste. Let me hide this one. Just need to reduce it very much to my taste. And I think this reduction is perfect already. I place it at the middle. Now the fonts I used here, I used Montserrat Medium and Montserrat Bold. Then one of that very special fonts, which I'll be dropping all the links to them in the description, so you do have to download them and use them. All right, then the next thing we'll be doing here is click on this sticker, then tap on your screen, then come to this place, increase it, put it at this particular junction. Let's take it under that stuff. Put it at this particular junction, make it be exactly at the middle, then give it a color close to the color of this stuff we have here, and this is okay. Just need to adjust it a little. Yeah, you've seen the effect it has given it. All right, that is it. Then I pin it. Then the next one I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce a shape, a circular shape. Then I'm going to increase it very much, and I'm going to come to the opacity, reducing the opacity very well, giving it a red color, and that's it. Then I come to my eraser, increase the brush a little, and increase this. I just brush the surrounding. I brush the surrounding, and I still put it there. And so you see the effect it is giving it. I think I just need to reduce it from this end. Now you see it's having two different views here and here. You get it right now. Okay, so we're done with that. Let me pin it. Okay, we want to be fast with this video so that it doesn't get too long. Hope this is in the middle. Yeah, so I pinned this already. Now we're going to be writing our texts. Let's see from this. We're going to be writing our texts. First text is Church, Christ Church International. So come to text, Christ Church International, capital letter. And let's see the font we used. We used Montserrat Bold. Come to font. Okay, Montserrat Bold was what we used. So we did it very much and place in the middle and just adjust it so it go close a little. All right. Let me just put it up. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like, share with your friends also. Okay, the next thing we're going to be doing now is writing out the lead me to the capitalize everything and increase it a bit. Now we're going to be giving it the background color. The gradient color we're going to be giving it should be this. Yes. Now this is a gradient color. This is a gradient color. You do well to um pick it out. You pick it out. So I'm going to screenshot this gradient color. I'm going to send it separately to you guys in the description. so that I can pick it. Or another way you can pick it is you come here, you come to this pick tool. This is the design already. So I can zoom in very well. I zoom in very well to pick the direction I want to pick. I want to pick this red, and I click OK. I've picked the red, and I come to this portion. I want to pick the yellow or the orange rather. I zoom it in, and I move my uh, pick tool to this region, and I pick it. You see, so I've picked it correctly, and that's it. Okay, so all right, I'll be using this. Whew. All right, then I have to increase the left padding to 6, the right padding to 6 as well. The top, we just leave it at 2. The bottom should be at 3, and I think that's okay. Yeah, let me increase the right again, the right and the left a little more, and this should be about 8. Yes, so we're good to go. I just set it aside here, place it in the middle, and we're good. Then now we're going to write cross. Quickly we write C, increase it very much, change the font to life LT STD bold. Oh, sorry, that shouldn't be the font. I think the font we use is Acrada. Let's see. No. Oh, the font we use is Abriface. So this is the font we use. It's a default font. Abrifat face. So that's the font. So we're go ahead, shooting this one up. Go ahead to place it right where it should be. Then we'll write our capital S, bring it to the same region. Now we're going to use our grid tool to make sure we are in alignment properly. Alright, then we just copy this and write ROS as the small version of the cross, and increase it and position it to the center. And I think, yeah, okay. Let me just increase the spacing a bit to balance up the space. Then it agreed to bring it down, and we're done with the cross. Okay. It's having too much space in here, so here's what we'll do. Push this up here, then reduce this to fit in. This should be size 174. Let it fit in. 174. It's 174, 147. Okay, 147. 147. And let it fit in as well. Okay, so I haven't done this. We're going to continue. We'll just click on this lead me. Let's pin all this one so that we don't um, distort it later. So I'm going to take on this lead me to the cross, and change the font into that same Abrifat face. That's a default font on the pixellab pro. So I'm going to change to date. Date, and I'm going to come here, increase this padding to big enough, and yeah, reduce this, and we're good to go. So now I place my grid line again to give me the perfect alignment I want. And this is, I'm going to reduce this text because it doesn't need to attract too much. Yeah, let's still increase the background. Yeah, so I don't want this to get too long, but it's already almost getting too long. Yeah, you just copy paste that we're going to be doing now. Copy paste. Time. Time copy. And this is venue. Venue. So the venue, we're just going to come and reduce the first of all, let's position it well so that it will be in the middle, and then we'll reduce the left and reduce the right to balance. Okay, so we're done with this. Let me quickly write out the texts. All right, I finished writing the texts just to arrange this, and we'll reduce the text size for this alone. Let's make it all bold. So reducing the text size won't affect anything. Yeah, and so we're probably done with this. Just arrange it, position it very well, and yeah, that's it. So here we're just going to introduce a shape. Before I introduce the shape, this is what I like doing. I would like to put my grid lines on the places I wouldn't want the shape to exceed. Yeah, then I click on the magnet and I introduce the shape. I'm giving it this color, so I start moving it. And I start moving it. Yeah, so I've gotten this. If you've gotten that, then what I would do now is just to make it be positioned perfectly, and it is. I'm going to add other shapes, still the same color, and this time around I want my grid to be in between these two places. Start grid in between these two places. Yeah, so I just come around this place, and that's all. Push it down into this. Just look at what it has given me. You see? So I copy this because it's what I already want to redo, and using my grid line, I position it inside that place perfectly to make sure I'm not making a mistake. Yeah, so you see, it's all been placed perfectly. So now I think everything is just two down. I need to move all of them up. So I mark and mark and mark all what I want to mark. Sorry, and I move them up. I move them up to the extent I want to. So now I just copy all these and write for inquiries call. I give it this color and increase it a little. Then copy this, write out the number Plus 234816461. Yeah. I bring it here and I increase the size and I space out. So let me space out to 15 and reduce the size now. Yeah, so think I'm done here and make sure everything is placed appropriately with my grid line. Okay, so I see that we are almost done with everything. Come close to this. All right, then I just have to push these two in the perfect middle. Oh, sorry. Those two have to be in the perfect middle. Sorry, not the center. Middle. Yes. Still need a little adjustment. And that's all. Go ahead and pin all these brothers. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, and comment. Thank you very much. Just go ahead and save this project to whatever you want to save it, and you save it as an image to your gallery. Come to here, save it as ultra, and boom, your image. You can furtherly decide to edit it with your Snapseed, your Pixart, your Photoshop, whatever you want to edit it with to give you more beautiful feel. So thank you very much for staying tuned in this tutorial. I remain Mike Trump. Do well to subscribe to this our channel. Thank you very much.